Fix a misfire with me. First, gain access to the coil packing spark plugs. For my car, a 10mm socket was needed to remove the coil packs. I am replacing all of the coil packs and spark plugs due to having a multiple misfire error code. Once you have removed the 10mm bolts, go ahead and disconnect the coil packs one by one and remove them. Oops. Next, you will need a spark plug remover socket to remove the existing spark plugs. My footage got corrupted here, so you can't see me finish removing the old spark plugs, but once you have completed that step, go ahead and install your new spark plugs. Connect your new coil packs up. Put everything back together and the problem should be solved.